I'm at my friend's place in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and he has been very kind to let me stay a couple of nights so that I can do some work on the bed, because the cot, not the bed, the cot is it's a fabric cot, a plastic or fabric, so it's sloping in the middle, and it's bad for the back, and I'm beginning to feel it now. My back has started hurting, so I don't think I want to continue in that cot for longer. If I sleep there, then I'll have problems.
So this is the wooden bar.
Okay.
And on top of this, you are going to put your plank.
But it won't be one plank, no? Because that won't be strong enough. So I'll put plank sideways.
No, so what I'm saying is, this is the wooden bracket.
Okay.
You put one
plank
more here, more bars here. Okay. And then you, instead of just one leg, you have two legs.
Then all the weight will be on the bolt, right?
Which bolt?
The bolt that went through, all the weight will be on the bolt. So
no. Weight is on the legs. While weight is on the legs.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the plank is resting on those legs.
Plank is resting, no? And this bar, right? This bar, which is going all the way to the length of the plank.
Yeah.
You are putting nails here also, no?
Yeah. Okay. Wish is coming up with a simpler solution for a bed.
It's Abhi's idea actually, not mine. I'm just trying to think and improvise something. So this is your frame, right? That's how it is.
Exactly. Yeah.
So what I'm saying is, we take this wooden plank. Okay.
Yeah.
This is whatever, X distance. Okay. Inner
between
distance.
the two rods. Yeah. Okay.
Inner.
Okay.
That you take that X distance.
Oh, now I get it.
Okay.
So यहाँ पे you put that wooden strip.
Now I take.
Yeah. Okay.
I take 1.5 inch wooden strip.
Yeah.
Okay, which we can easily get.
Right.
This is 1.5 inch.
Yeah.
I put this strip over here.
Yes.
I put this strip over here.
Yeah.
And
it will just sit.
It
won't move here, won't move here because of these two, and you can slide it out. Dude, that is awesome.
तो क्यों इतना होल करने का?
Yeah. Won't need to do it. So Vish came up with another idea. So he has a table in his yard, and that table has foldable legs. So he's like, okay, fold the legs, just the surface, put it on the frame of the cot. So that works, right? And if we can make it stay somehow, that's it. And if I need a table to work outside something, I can just pull it out of the cot and just use it as a table, right? And the funny thing is that exact same table, foldable table, I had in Denver, which I have been carrying with me for the last 3-4 years. Never used it. Opened it in Denver, used it, and then sold it because I didn't have space to carry it. So yesterday we found a very low cost solution, a very simple solution, which is achievable in a day, and it's assembled. And now I'm going to empty the bed of the truck and start put that cot and put the other things around it. And I'm so excited that I got up and without brushing or breakfast or anything, I ran back, and now I'm going to start working on it. So here is our low cost solution that we put in place yesterday. So this table somehow was the exact size of the cot. So instead of building another frame or anything, we just zip tied the table, drill some holes, zip tied the table to the cot. The only issue is at the center, because it has something here and which stays on the cot. At the center it's a bit raised. It's an easy problem to fix. I can either put something this side, can put something that side, and then it can be a flat surface. And even otherwise, after I put the mattress, I think I'll barely notice anything. So I'm really excited about this. So now I'm going to put it into the truck and clean it up, and then go get a mattress from Walmart for the same size or comparable size, and we'll take it from there. Yay! I'm changing these nylon cords out because these are too thick, and after putting the nylon cords here, I haven't actually been able to screw the plates together nicely. So this is for the roof wrap carriers, and it's a so the nylon cord has been working fine, but I got some thinner cord, and that's what I'm going to put. So first thing, I'm going to take all 4 off, take the nylon cords out, put the other one in, and then screw them back in place together, and then I'll do the rest of the things. Also replaced, I will see the Reflectix. I've just put them against the window, both windows. So then I will get rid of the curtains. That opens up the space up a lot, because the curtains were just flowing around the space, making it look smaller than it really was. So really liking this. Also, I replaced the cords, had the thick ones there, so the bolts were not being, I couldn't fit them properly because the bigger cord was taking up a lot of space. The thinner ones are nice, but I'll see if they are as strong and if they can hold as much weight. These are rated for, I think, 30 pounds or 40 pounds, I don't remember. That should be enough for my uses, but I did hang a bag full of vegetables and fruits that was a bit heavy. So I'll see how and if these cords hold up. Okay, so time to put the bed frame back in and the rest of the stuff in there, and just get ready to hit the road again.